How to update Polybuzz.ai to the latest version. First of all, open the Google Play Store and search for Polybuzz.ai in the search bar. Once you find the app, check if an update button is available next to it. If it says open, that means your app is already up to date. If the update button is visible, tap on it to start downloading the latest version. Make sure you have the stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the update process. While the update is downloading, you may see a progress bar showing the download status. Wait for it to complete before opening the app. Once the update is finished, tap Open to launch the app. The app will now have the latest feature, bug fixes, and improvements. Updating your app regularly ensures you can access new AI characters, improved chat features, and better performance. It also helps prevent errors or glitches that may occur in older versions. Now you know how to update Polybuzz.ai to the latest version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.